Guys, welcome to Brugge's Maths Academy. Guys, in this particular session, we are going to discuss exercise 17a on quadrilaterals. We are going to focus only on sums wherein we need to find the angles. Okay, so let's begin exercise 17a on quadrilaterals. Exercise 17a on quadrilaterals. First sum. Three angles of quadrilaterals measures 68, 74 and 108. Find the fourth angle. But before we start solving, you should know that sum of measure of all interior angles of any quadrilateral मतलब four sided figure, okay, is always 360. Sum of measure of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is always 360. तो सबका एडिशन कितना होना चाहिए? 360 होना चाहिए. ओके, खाली मैं आपके रेफरेंस के लिए एक डायग्राम बनाता हूँ, एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल बनाता हूँ, फोर साइडेड फिगर ए बी सी डी. ओके, सपोज ये एंगल 68 डिग्रीज है, ये एंगल 74 डिग्रीज है, ये एंगल 108 डिग्रीज है. वी नीड टू फाइंड द फोर्थ एंगल एक्स. ठीक है बेटा, मैं बोलूंगा लेट fourth angle be x. Therefore, sum of measures of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Therefore, 68 plus 74 plus 108 plus x is equals to 360 degrees. Therefore, सबको ऐड करो, 250 प्लस एक्स इक्वल टू 360 डिग्रीज. देयरफॉर एक्स इज therefore our fourth angle is 110 degrees. Are you comfortable? Easy sum to begin with. The angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 4 3 2 6. Okay, the angles are in the ratio 4:3:2:6. Find the measure of each angle. ठीक है, मैं बोलूंगा जब भी ऐसा सम हो रेशियोज वाले तो बोलने का लेट कॉमन मल्टीपल बी एक्स. लेट कॉमन मल्टीपल बी एक्स. therefore all four angles are 4x 3x 2x and 6x. Now we all know sum of measures of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Therefore 4x plus 3x plus 2x plus 6x is 360 degrees. 15x is equals to 360 degrees. Therefore x is 360 upon 15, which is 24 degrees. Okay, got it beta? Sum of measure of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Got it my child? Everyone? Are you really comfortable with this? The three angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 2:5:6 and the fourth angle is 100. Find the other angle. Third sum. Let common multiple be x. जब भी रेशियो दिया है let common multiple be x should be there. देखो फोर एंगल्स कितने हो गए, जस्ट रफ फिगर 2x 5x 6x and their side for the fourth angle is 100. Okay, now we say sum of measures of angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Therefore 2x plus 5x plus 6x plus 100. 360 degrees. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? गाइस समझ में आया? कभी भी रेशियो दिया जाए, जस्ट मेक श्योर यू राइट कॉमन मल्टीपल बी एक्स. सो देयरफॉर द एंगल्स आर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस 2x, 5x and 6x. Hope so you are getting it, my child. Please pause video and complete these 3 sums. We'll move to 4th sums, beta. In fact, 4th sum I wish you try on your own. Just give a try. Obviously I'll be helping you out, but आप लोग 4th sum एक बार खुद try कीजिए बेटा. Just give a try. बेटा 4 एंगल कौन से हो गए? एक तो 72 डिग्री से 56 डिग्री बोला गया है, एंड द 2 एंगल्स आर इन द रेशियो 3:5. So 3x and 5x. Sum of measures of all angles of a quadrilateral 360 degrees. 5x plus 3x plus 56 plus 72 equals to 360. But here in the 5th one, they are saying the 2 angles are 116 and 84. The other 2 angles are equal. Well, okay, very good. Let equal angle be x. तो how it will look? 2 एंगल कितने बेटा? एक 116 है, एक 84 है, दूसरा एंगल इक्वल है, x और x. Sum of measures of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So 116 plus 84 plus x is equals to 360 beta. 200 plus 2x is equals to 360 degree. 2x equals to 160 degree, x equals to 80 degrees. उन्होंने बोला 3 angles are equal and the 4th angle is 75. So मैं बोलूँगा let equal angle be x. तो 3 इक्वल एंगल है, x x x and the 4th one is 75. Perfect बेटा? Therefore sum of measures of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Therefore each equal angle is 95 degrees. Very easy sum बच्चा. होप सो आपको समझ में आ रहा हो बेटा. बहुत इजी पार्ट है, बहुत छोटू सा पार्ट है एंड वेरी इजी पार्ट बेटा. I'm waiting बेटा for you. Hope so you're getting it, my child. Okay, kindly pause video and let's do the last two sums of this exercise. We are doing last two sums of this exercise, so please pay attention. The angles of quadrilateral are phi x, 3x plus 10, 6x minus 20, x plus 25. We all know sum of measure of each angle of a quadrilateral is 360. Okay? Therefore, phi x plus 3x plus 10 plus 6x minus 20 plus x plus 25. सबका एडिशन कितना आना चाहिए? 360. 15x plus 15 equals to 360. Therefore, measure of each angle is therefore 4 angles are. Hope so you are getting it, my child. एकदम बराबर से समझा दिख रहा लोग. बेटा 8th one very interesting. In a quadrilateral ABCD, it is given AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. Given angle A and angle D are in the ratio 2:3. Angle B and angle C are in the ratio 4:5. Now let me explain here 1 minute. I'll take 1 minute of yours and let me explain when two lines are parallel what happens. When two lines are parallel like this way, जब C formation दिखता है आपको ऐसा with a transversal, तो this angle and this angle, the co-interior angles are supplementary. क्या याद रखोगे? Co-interior angles are supplementary मतलब 180. दोनों का एडिशन कितना होता है बेटा? 180 होता है. तो जब भी मेरे को बोला था एंगल ए एंड एंगल डी आर इन द रेशियो 2:3, लेट कॉमन मल्टीपल बी x, and here but we cannot take the same multiple, we have to use some other variable. Common multiple be a. ठीक है. सो एंगल a कितना हो जाएगा? 2x. एंगल d कितना हो जाएगा? 3x. एंगल d हो जाएगा 3x, एंगल a हो जाएगा 2x, एंगल b हो जाएगा 4a, एंगल c हो जाएगा 5. ओके बेटा. Now we all know since co-interior angles are supplementary, co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay. Therefore, angle A plus angle D is 180. Angle B plus angle C is also equals to 180. So 2x and 3x equals to 180. Perfect beta. Therefore, angle A is 2 into 36. Angle D is 3 into 36. Angle B is 4 into 20. Angle C is 5 into 20. Understood beta? Whenever two lines are parallel, ये जो सी फॉर्मेशन बोलते हैं इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं को इंटीरियर एंगल्स. को इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर सप्लीमेंट्री. को इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर सप्लीमेंट्री. Please don't forget, beta. Hope so you have understood this exercise very well. It's a very short video, okay, wherein I tried to help you understand the concept of quadrilateral. Okay, सब में एक चीज कॉमन था, sum of measure of all angles of a quadrilateral is always 360 degrees, and depending on the condition we have solved couple of sums. ठीक है. In our next video of quadrilateral we will be explaining different types of quadrilaterals. Okay. So please make sure you are thorough with your first exercise 17A and then come back to 17B. Okay. Thank you beta for watching us out.